Renishaw customer Flexmill builds robot-assisted cells for finish machining precision components such as gears and turbine blades.
I'm Janne Mäkelä. I'm the director of the product management and the marketing at Flexmill Oy. We are specialized to manufacturing, or actually not the manufacturing, but finishing the most complex parts, such like turbine blades, or the jet engines, steam turbines, and so on. Our standard platforms and the process modules that we are combining together to have this kind of bespoke solution for our customer needs. At the moment, robots are of course the main piece of the machine itself, as we use the robot to control or move our tools or parts that we are finishing. If you think about jet engines and steam turbines, what is the driving force to develop those nowadays? It's energy efficiency, which means that you need to make more and more three-dimensional parts to have optimal flow inside the turbine system, which meaning that your part, what you need to process, is much more complex than used to be before. So basically we ended up in the situation that manual finishing is very often even impossible. So you need to have the automated solution to do it, to get the constant quality and repeatability for the parts.
Flexmill incorporates Renishaw touch probes into its cells to locate components precisely before deburring and finish machining commences. The Flexmill software uses the coordinates to write the finishing programs.
My name is Sami Niemeläinen. I'm working here at Katsa as a quality and development manager. Katsa is a family-owned company, more than 60 years old, making gear wheels, gearboxes and gearbox services. We are focused for tailor-made gears and gearboxes. Gear component range we have starting from 50 mm up to 1.5 meter. All our gearboxes are also tailor-made. So beforehand we did deburring by hand. The deburring is not so nice job, also for healthy safety point of view. Then we decide to find out a solution by the robot and find a solution from Flexmill. The Flexmill system is done with an ABB robot, and then there is a two deburring station which can be used so that when you are loading one of them, one can be used as working with the robot. The reason for investment was not that we could make them faster. The reason was for better quality, constant quality, and also this health and safety for the operators. Beforehand, deburring was not dream job for anybody, so there was few parts were waiting for the deburring. But now when we using robot, it's any operator is willing to do this job, so there's not any more few, so the lead time is better. Yeah, actually Renishaw has been working very well, and actually Renishaw makes it possible to robot programming automatically. So basically we only give some parameters for the control, and then a robot will use Renishaw to create program automatically. The quality is always the same. That's very important.